Nemblumi Jessica Kampai, Mimi work lo Livanland Vanuatu, also ma coordinator lo Climate Resilient Islands program. Program mi start lo 2021, ikasem 2026, and then funded by New Zealand government. Main thing behind the program mi blo strengthen community resilience lo impact lo climate change inside lo all communities lo yumi through lo nature-based approach. One lo all community whereby mi focus lehem today mi community lo Akhamb lo South Malekula. Lo community lo Akhamb project mi implement 4 pathways everyone. First one you make you create one community conservation area. Number 2 you make rainwater harvesting system lol keta, where you give him lo community 11 water tanks everyone, and then you may work with them water department, with them water committee lo island lo Akhamb lo lisave set them up rainwater harvesting system ya lo yumi. And number 3 pathway where you may make him, you may make him one nursery, you may build him one nursery lo island lo Akhamb, and then also you may make him training with them department lo agriculture, with them forestry, lo side lo seed saving, where all communities always have a preserve seed inside lo community no more, and always have a stop lo always have a use again later. Last one you may create them one disaster plan with them community motu you may revive them back community lo disaster plan lo all get.
Mi nemblemi parichunas fanrani mimi lo Malakula mi come out lo Akhamb Island temina mi chairman lo Malembur conservation mi tibala sta peke mol something lo custom tambu play mi no mena putuman wood putuman diplo na mele semi play conserve ol sem kafa kakao o makoniel semol wood menol semol emblem mi pala plo mena be mi play conserve menol sem river one ml pieces plo one ml pitching time you start look lo sign put look every something we stop inside them every something we stop here one ml all wildfowl or one the outcomes plo program plo where mi pala iklatlem project is outcome full of something mena ikam lo Akhamb community I benefit lem mi talem tangi tumas lo Livanland Vanuatu mena I mekem se government I come town lo to step lo mi lo south lo Akhamb Island
mi nemplomi yapet mi stalo community diplomi mi also one small chief same time mi chairman lo boda first time mi vela libot mo lo mi vela time ya no gat water tank Ibala sabe kasumota lo pampu na mombele ino ka travel lo island ibala mas pool lo keru kolo mainland katem bambu ale spare me inside for mo hotelem karim kam lo island no isu mo ko vinis man velo ko pak from bagen the program lo livan ni time kam lo place yel mi fala pikwan ifala iklat from mota ino se sot mo ol tang to li saklo sa lo la usus primela mi so pot long distance pokasi mota mi prato mas lo ngale kat wota ipikwan ipiti first time
Nemplomi Morlin David mi plo Akhamb Island mo mi secretary plo Akhamb nursery lo Livanland. Osem pifo wata mi stalo place mi vla no kremol vegetable sia mi vla tipen plante lo pipi kula sempana na manio mo mi vla stalo small elan semia time we solo tairaf I hat lo mi vla sta kokam lo karekakai Livanland lo nursery ikam Itici mi vla plante plo mi vla sabe plane mol small vegetables plo mi vla plo trimanisia plo mi vla sabe kat lo time especially lo time lo cyclone season time we mi vla no kat pot o canoe so lo terap tomas mi vla sa konar site no mo ale karem any vegetables ya ko karem fish o wantin ale kam me kam kakai plo mi vla lo time plo especially mi vla lo church plo me kam pipi vla event or sempre presbytery o assembly all why mi vla sabe sale mol something vegetables plo mi vla ke mol white pun lo sapotem mi vla tem wali kam kimol seats lo mi vla lo mekem on lo mi vla house.
Name plomi Billy Williams. Mimi come out lo Akhamb Island lo South Malekula. Mi bin staff lo City Triple C Committee lo sampai time. Mi vla staff. Mi vla depend plande lo traditional knowledge well apu belum mi vla li passem from generation to generation ikasem mi vla. Especially lo time belum mi sabe looking all signs before lo one natural disaster all same cyclone. One lol kita sign mi lo side lo solwata mi vla stop look total time we total mi lame ek close up lo place we solwata mi stop kami finish long hem stop talam lo mi vla se by one cyclone ini sabe hiti mi lo iya ya. Saya samvala science we mi stop look before mi karam information what them all the latest technology mo information lo capacity building we imi karam through lo setting up where it's a staff na ya what them live and learn Vanuatu. Live and learn Vanuatu kami work out lo mo itusum area lo imi lo South Malakulan particularly area lo Akhamb and li start lo li form bagakan committee revive them and imi start lo imi empower mo kata through lo sabe how now imi sabe respond lo time lo disaster maybe before lo disaster preparation more after and one lol kita something we livan len Vanuatu emi LBM community development emi community response plan mo community action plan and also ikatuan yes disaster plan we mi vela never been cut this time mi vela been cut disaster plan ya wote mi vela wanar vela something emi we livan len emi mekem wote emi leko some tools staff lo kivan lo time lo disaster wote mon committee lo pasem information iko lo community lo imi lo Akhamb and also mi ka chance mi update them community disaster map lo Akhamb community. So mi all big achievements we mi kat even though mi vela no katuan proper place lo imi staff setema pol semua CD Triple C house or place where mi best lo karam information lehem but ting block community strong say one day maybe mi sabe katuan place where mi also CD Triple C house or CD Triple C place where mi sabe camp mi karam all information especially lo time lo cyclone season